Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Microsoft account on a Lenovo laptop. First, open any web browser on your Lenovo laptop. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any other browser. In the address bar, type microsoft.com and open the official Microsoft website. Once you're on the website, click Sign In and enter your Microsoft account email address. It can be an Outlook, Hotmail, Live, or any other Microsoft account. Click Next, enter your password, and then click Next. After signing in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select View Account. On the account page, click Your Info. Scroll all the way down, and at the bottom, you'll find the Close Account option. Click on it. Now, again, scroll down and click on Close Account. Microsoft will now ask you to verify your identity. Select your recovery email address, then click Send Code. Open your Gmail, copy the verification code, enter it on the verification page, and click Verify. Next, you'll be asked to choose how long Microsoft should wait before permanently deleting your account. By default, it may be set to 60 days, but you can change it to 30 days if you prefer. Select the option you want and click Next. Now, read the information on the screen carefully. Check all the confirmation boxes, select a reason for closing your account from the drop-down menu, and finally click Mark Account for Closure. That's it. Your Microsoft account will be disabled immediately. After the 30-day or 60-day waiting period, depending on the option you selected, your account will be permanently deleted from Microsoft servers. Any services connected to that account, such as Outlook, OneDrive, Skype, Xbox, and other Microsoft services, may also be permanently removed. And that's how you can delete your Microsoft account on a Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.